Good afternoon folks and welcome to Blackpool Automart. My name's Danny. Here we are at our site next door to our partners at Blackpool Seat. Rain's holding off at the moment, so just taking the opportunity to do some more vehicle videos for you so you can see what's available. But you've also got the option of coming down and having a look on the forecourt. As you can see, plenty to choose from. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel and also go direct to our website at coxmotorgroup.com and have a look at our vehicles online there as well. In the meantime, I'm going to be showing you this 2019 Ford Focus. It's an Eco Blue ST line, 1.5 diesel, 5-door hatch in white. And it's a lovely looking car, it's lovely to drive. On this particular version you get a 6-way power seat on the driver's seat, so you got a 6-way controllable electric seating for your seating position, independent front suspension with Mcpherson struts, parking sensors, power folding mirrors, driver select modes, sport suspension and the 18-inch alloys. I'll prefer unlock the boot so I can show you. There we go. As you can see, a good sized boot. You've also got underfloor storage as well. 60-40 split on the back seats. Going into the car itself, you got leather and cloth upholstery going all the way through with the red stitching and detailing on the sides. 6-speed gearbox. And driving select modes, parking sensors, electric parking brake and auto hold function, USB and 12 volt, aircon, climate control, heated seat functions, colour console, and just switch the ignition on and then it doesn't keep beeping at us. As you can see, it's touchscreen as well, so you've got all your apps available to you. Sat nav, vehicle settings and application settings as well, and you got your radio, so it's dead easy to use. Cockpit, pretty standard layout. You got a digital screen in the centre, indicators and beam settings, plus your lane assist on the left hand wand, cruise control, volume settings on the left hand of your steering wheel, windscreen wipers and washers on your right hand wand. Right under the steering wheel is your navigation options for your centre screen. Further down your right you got your auto function headlights, fog lights in the door, central locking wing mirrors and windows. But it's a nice car, nice to drive, very comfortable, nice and agile. So if you've got any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us. You can visit us online, send us an email or give us a call, or better still, pop down and see us. And we look forward to hearing from you soon.